Welcome to the DELTA LearnTech video navigating a Moodle assignment with Turnitin from the student user point of view. In this video, a user with the role of student will navigate to a Moodle assignment activity with Turnitin analysis enabled. Here, the student clicks on the Moodle assignment. Inside the assignment activity, the student reviews the assignment details, including due dates and instructions. The student will now click the Add Submission button to upload their submission. This assignment includes a Turnitin requirement. On this screen, the student will need to click the following link to review the Turnitin End User License Agreement, or EULA, for Turnitin analysis. The student should review this user agreement carefully before continuing. Any questions concerning the Turnitin user agreement should be directed to their instructor. If accepted, Turnitin confirms their EULA. The student can now upload their submission with the standard Moodle Add Submission interface. Here, the student can either drag and drop a file from their computer or use the File Picker button. The student chooses the File Picker method. Using the Upload a File option, the student clicks Choose File and locates the appropriate file that is saved on their computer. The student should review this screen to ensure that the correct file is being displayed before uploading. The file has been uploaded to the File Submissions table and is now ready to save changes. The student can also review if this is the correct file to be uploaded. The student can still click Cancel if need be and replace the chosen file. The student clicks Save Changes to confirm the submission. On this screen, a submission status summary is provided showing submission timestamps, grading, and turned-in progress. The student reviews the turned-in review status. Initially, the turned-in progress will display as queued for review. After reviewing the summary and the student is satisfied with their submission, the student can now safely browse away, return to the course main page, or simply close the browser. After a period of time, a turned-in analysis will be generated. If enabled by the instructor, a turned-in similarity score will be released to the student. The student can now click the percentage score next to the Turnitin ID. This will open the similarity report using Turnitin's Feedback Studio in a new window. Inside the Feedback Studio, the student's paper is shown. While Turnitin does not check for plagiarism in writing, it does check all submissions against their database. After reviewing the similarity score, the student should refer to assignment instructions and review any feedback given by their instructor. Thank you for viewing this screencast demo, navigating a Moodle assignment with Turnitin from the student user point of view. Find answers to common questions on our knowledge base by browsing to http://go.ncsu.edu/learntech.